After announcement of election on 8th of January, the Model Code of Conduct has come into force. So total 28,413 defacements have been removed by the teams. Our flying squads are functional in all the assembly constituencies. So total 81 flying squads are there, 24/7, and we have been popularizing C-Vigil app, wherein any citizen can give us detail of any kind of violations with live location. I would like to tell you that so far in state we have got 329 complaints on C-Vigil, out of which 219 have been found correct. That the seizure by police department, but excise as well as narcotics control bureau, they have also made seizures, substantial seizure. Like yesterday you must have seen, narcotics control bureau has caught cannabis ganja over 23 kg costing 24 lakh rupees. So total seizure in Goa as on date stands at 2,44,05,207, which includes 4,39,920 cash. Liquor is 1,98,36,287. Drugs is 28,75,000. Precious metal is 2 lakh. Freebies items are 10,54,000. So total is 2,44 lakhs. And significant seizures, I would say, would be, I will just go chronology wise little bit. Just you should understand that our job is to create a conducive atmosphere so that there should be free and fair election and level playing field for everyone, and no abuse of muscle power or money power. Like Narcotics Control Bureau, as I said, is 23 kg over 24 lakh.